Good morning to all the students of class 7. We had already started ratio and proportion, right? And we had done exercise 6.1. So today we will start exercise 6.2. Take out your books and copies and get ready. Okay. See, in number 1, there is 70 is by 60 proportionate to 7 is to 6. You have to tell that whether it is true or false. How we will prove that? We have to do this portion 70 by 60 and 7 by 6. When you will cut the 0, that is 7 by 6, and this we cannot take into further lowest term. So 7 is to 6 equals to 7 is to 6 is equal to true. And again the next one 4 by 6 proportionate to 6 by 3. That means 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6, and this one is 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6. That means 2 by 3 proportionate to 2 by 1. So it is not equals to this part, and this part is not equal. So it is false. Okay children. Next is again 14 by 60 and 3 8 by 30. You have to first take it into lowest term and then see it is not coming. So it is false. And again this one 15 by 5 proportionate to 45 by 15. And this one is true because after doing the lowest term we had find 3 is to 1 proportionate to 3 is to 1. Okay. Next see in 2. Which of the followings are in proportion? If you do all the sums and from that you will find only 2 and 3 will be in proportion just like this, and the rest of the sums will not be in proportion. Okay? Do all the sums at home and see whether they are in proportion or not, just like this method only. See in number 3, find the value of x. 32 is to 40 is proportionate to 8 is to x. First you have to write like this, 32 by 40 equals to 8 by x, and then you have to cross multiplication. That means 32 multiplied by x equals to 8 multiplied by 40. Don't forget to write the in equation, okay? So we all know we have to keep the x here, and this portion will get divided because here it is multiply. And so when in this sign will go to this side of the equals to, it will get the opposite, that means divide. You have to do the lowest term and answer will be 10. Okay. See in number 4, find the third proportional to 63 and 21. Here is a formula. Whenever you have to find the third proportional, you have to do 63 is to 21 and you have to repeat this 21 here also. And in the fourth proportion, you have to write x. And then again the same procedure just like the previous sum. 63 by 21 is equal to 21 by x, and then do the cross multiplication. To find out the x, you have to take this 63 divided here. Do the lowest terms, do the multiplications, and then the answer will be 7. In number 5, it is said, find the fourth proportional to 698. Here the formula is, you have to write 6 is to 9 proportional to 8 is to x. And again the same procedure, 6 by 9, and this means equals to. Okay children, this means equals to this 8 by x. And again the same procedure, and the answer will be 12. Okay. Next see, ratio of length to its width of a perk is 5 is to 2. If the width of a park is 14 meter, what is its length? So we already know from this, length is to width of the park, 5x is to 2x. And we know width of the park is 14 meter. And we know that width is 2x. That means 2x is equal to 14. And then from here you have to find the value of x. Here it is 2 multiplied, so when it will go this side, it will get divide. And the answer will be 7. But you have to find what is the length, and we know length is equal to 5x. So we will write length is equal to 5x. That means 5 multiplied by 7, because we have already find out the value of x. That means 5 multiplied by 7, 35 meter. Next sum, the ratio of the heights of the two boys is 7:6. If the height of the first boy is 210 centimeter, what is the height of the second boy? First boy is to second boy, 7x is to 6x. That means first boy we know already 7x equals to 210. That means x is equal to 210 by 7. Okay, 210 by 7, that means 30. And next we have to find out second boy, that means 6x. 6x, we already know the value of x, and x is equal to 30. 6 into 30, 180 centimeter. Okay children, do this in your copy, and next day we will start a new chapter. Okay, thank you children.